We are still here in Oyotunji village. I wish they would leave this Oduwa Progressive Union coming in. It's a big ceremony. It's a big ceremony. This is Africa. This is Oyotunji village, a replica of the village in Yoruba land. We're here to celebrate with the king, the Oba of Oyotunji village. So hopefully next time, my people, you come and celebrate with us and see what God has done. That when they came to United States, the whole generation did not perish. The whole generation survived. And they have Oyotunji. So forget about what you hear. This is a land, this is a village that you need to see. You really need to come and see it. Thank you, ladies. All of them here speak Yoruba fluently. It's not just making it up, they speak Yoruba fluently. Thank you.